This is a 2004 GMC Sierra 1500, 5.3 liter. Just came in last week on trade. Has not been through our shop yet. However, it was owned by one of our mechanics. It's been well maintained. It's got a little bit of a lift. Has not been cleaned inside yet. Bed liner, even though it's full of snow. Full-size spare. Tow hitch. A little bit messy in there, but still the leather's good, the interior's good. Headliner's clean. Aftermarket stereo. Mileage is right there, 145, 809. Has a cigarette lighter, look at that. How often do you see that? Has not been smoked in, even though it has a cigarette lighter. Power windows, power door locks, power seats. Under the hood. .3 liter. Outstanding shape. My name is Shawn Jones. Give me a call at 208-516-1876. This is Rob Green Buick GMC in Twin Falls, Idaho. Once again, my name is Shawn Jones, S-H-A-W-N.